You'll try to come back when you fake. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You won't get what you start.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is probably my fan favorite. I absolutely love this like ginger burgundy colored hair, but I've never did a no baby hair look. Like, look how seamless that is. You guys, I'm so excited to bring you this video, and this is also going to be a giveaway, so make sure you guys comment down below. Just comment some nice stuff. I don't know, let me know why you want to get this wig, or just why you subscribe to my channel. I mean, if you really love the hair videos, let me know down below, and I'll be picking a winner and posting it on my community tab on Fridays. So make sure if you comment on my videos, make sure you check the community tab on Fridays. I'm definitely gonna post like a picture resonating with the thumbnail, so you know exactly which wig it is. So today's wig is Unice hair, and they brought all this stuff in the packaging, so whoever wins this wig will be winning all these stuff, all these goodies: headbands, brush, bonnets, lashes, even a robe. They even put a robe in this packaging and a brush, and I absolutely love this brush because I have another one from Unice just like this one. It's amazing. It's very heavy, like heavy duty, so you're gonna be winning this brush as well. So make sure you guys leave me a comment down below, just engage with me, and that's why I'm giving away this wig. Nothing really specific. Let's get right into this video. So I'm starting off, same thing, wiping my skin down with alcohol. I always do this. I had already brushed my hair back, so I did not have to do that. I'm putting the wig on my head first because I like customizing it on my head before I do anything else. And if I put the spray on my forehead, for some reason the wig gets stuck when I try putting the wig on my head, so I like it already being on my head so I can see. So I parted down the middle because I know I'm gonna do a middle part. And then I end up thinking about it, and I was like, no, I need to flat iron this wig on my mannequin head. Doesn't my mannequin head look like Plankton from Ed, Edd n Eddy? She does. Anyways, I'm using the Cheese Silk Infusion and Carrot Hair Silk and Seal. I'm putting that all over the hair. That's going to give the hair that silky look, how you seen it in the start of the video. And I'm just spraying a little bit of this Silk and Seal at the top and just brushing it through. Make sure it's distributed. I'm using my Babyliss Nano Pro 1.5 inch flat iron, and I love this 1.5 inch because then I could put more hair in it and I don't have to take so long flat iron the hair. Absolutely love this. Recommend. I did link it down below already, so make sure you check my description box if you guys want to get it. I got it on Amazon. And then I finally put back on my shirt because it was hot, and now I'm going to go ahead and customize it even more. I'm hot combing it back just so you're not going to see any tracks. And then am I about to stick it down? Yes. So I'm going to pull the lace back, and I'm going to spray my Ebon lace spray like I always use 4 times. Make sure that it's dry. Every time you spray it, make sure that it's tacky, and then spray the other layers. And then once it's nice and tacky, I'm going to pull that lace down into it. Make sure that you're very specific where you put this, because if your wig is like not sitting right, it's going to make your head feel weird. So once it's stuck, I'm using my comb to give it some tension before I tie it down. And it shouldn't like feel wet or like stick or like move or anything. It should be like feeling kind of a little bit secured but not dried. So once I put my band down, I'm going to blow dry this hair on cool air for about 8 minutes to 10 minutes. And then this is how it's looking. It's nice and stuck. So I'm going to cut the lace into different sections so I can work in sections. I'm using my razor to work in sections. This is pretty normal. I always do this section, so I'm going to play some music so you guys can watch the video.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. You got your body at the tight like anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. I think that's on me and have my head stiff. Yeah. Oh, no fair.
And now I'm doing a little bit more like fixing up, because it's finally on my head, so I can make sure that it's framing my face and everything like that. You definitely need a hot comb. I did link this one down below, so check it out. A hot comb is gonna help you a lot. I'm using my razor comb. I'm just sectioning that area right by my ear in the front of my face, and I'm just like razoring it down to give it more of a shape, like a little bit of layers at the front. I don't know, this looks really good, but I did realize when I was cutting it with the razor, like the hair was getting kind of frizzy. I don't know, you're gonna see exactly what I mean. So I'm gonna cut it here, and then I'm gonna like point out what I'm talking about. You can see it kind of doing that right there, but like look, I don't know, that's really weird. That never happened to me before, but I don't know what that is about. So I just like comb it out, and then I'm going in with my flat iron again just to silky out the hair. It was already silky, but yeah. Now I'm going to take off that band, and I'm going to customize the hairline, like making sure that everything is blended. Ruby Kisses number 14. I'm using both sides actually, and I'm just like blending in everything because I'm not doing no baby hair. So you have to make sure like the front of that is blended. If it's not, it's gonna look crazy. So I'm using the hot comb just to fix up the front of the hairline. And take your time with this. I burned myself so many times doing hair videos and stuff. Take your time. And then I just part it out like that. This looks so amazing, like you guys don't even understand. I'm using my Care wax stick, and I'm going to put that right at the front. And I actually did go ahead and fix like the back part to cover that tracks in the back. Don't look at that. So yeah, you can see me right here fixing it because nobody wants to see that, okay? And then I'm just flattening it out. And I need to ask my mom, like when I wash my hair this week, I'm going to ask my mom to braid it in smaller braids. Jacob does not listen, guys. You can see him coming in the video. Guys, you don't even understand how much I had to cut out of the video of him coming into the video. I'm using my Ruby Kisses powder in the color 12, and I'm just going to fix up my part. And the part did get a little bit big, so I'm going to show you guys me fixing up, me making the part so big. I had to like trial and error this, and it came out pretty good. So if you guys are here so far, make sure you comment down below some bear emoji or some fall leaves. I definitely would love to see that in the comment section. And I'm going in with my bronzer because it has like a red undertone, and I'm just fixing up the roots because I did bleach the knots on this, and it touched the hair and turned the hair like hot in the roots. So I did just use my bronzer to fix that. And I don't know why I was curling those pieces in the front. I did go back and straighten it back out because it was not giving. I did not like that at all. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I did to this wig. It looks so pretty. Make sure you guys leave your comments down below if you're interested in winning this wig. It's going to be completely free, and I'm going to ship it with my own money, so you guys don't have to worry about shipping or anything like that. I just really want to give back to you guys because I do have like wig sales and stuff on my Instagram, and I just feel like giving away to the people that actually watch me on YouTube. I am gonna have a sale soon because I have a lot more wigs. I'm gonna have a sale, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna public my Instagram, so make sure you follow me. This is basically how the wig is looking. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to visit Unice hair down below. I'll have the links to this wig if you don't win this wig. If you don't win this wig but you want it, I will have the links in my description box, so make sure you guys check them out, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.